Jamaica, I've been summoned to speak on this Jolan Silvera matter, and because I am the TikTok lawyer, I feel duty bound to explain to my followers. Now, for those who don't know, Mr. Silvera pleaded guilty for manslaughter, which is the killing of his wife. Now, murder and manslaughter are both homicides. And by homicide, I mean the unlawful killing of a person. Now, the difference between murder and manslaughter is that manslaughter is the less of the two offenses. Murder requires intention, which is foresight of a virtual certainty that your actions will result in death or grievous bodily harm, while manslaughter requires recklessness, which means you foresaw a risk and you took the risk anyway, which resulted in the death of a person. Now, Mr. Silvera, by virtue of his plea, is saying, I killed my wife, but I had no intentions of killing her. Now, the judge is to make a determination as to whether he could accept the plea of Mr. Silvera. Because Mr. Silvera was not charged for manslaughter, he was charged for murder, the more serious offense. Now, the Crown and the defense, by virtue of an act called the Criminal Justice Plea Negotiations and Agreements Act, can enter into agreements for a plea to be entered. However, under Section 10 of that act, the judge is not bound to accept that plea. But I'm not sure if there was a formal agreement under this act or it was an offer from the Crown which Mr. Silvera and his team accepted. Now, the only way though the judge can accept that plea if there was no formal agreement is if the facts of the case disclose the existence of manslaughter. Now, if manslaughter doesn't arise on the facts, then the judge can reject Mr. Silvera's plea. Do you understand?